Did you know that even small do it yourself improvements can increase your home's value by up to 10%? That's thousands of extra dollars in your pocket when selling. Today, I'm sharing the top do it yourself tricks that can boost your selling price and help you stand out in a competitive market without spending a fortune. Hi, I'm Erica McLean, a Chicago real estate expert, and I help homeowners like you sell faster and for more money. If you're planning to list your home, making the right first impression is crucial. The good news? You don't need a massive budget, just some simple, strategic, do it yourself upgrades that can make buyers fall in love with your home. So let's get into it. Okay, here's the problem. Many sellers leave money on the table because they don't realize how buyers think. In a competitive market, buyers will nitpick small flaws, and that can lead to lowball offers or your home sitting unsold for weeks or months. But here's the good news, you have control. By making some quick and easy do it yourself upgrades, you can make your home look more valuable, attract more buyers, and command a higher price. So, what are the easiest do it yourself tricks that actually make a difference? Here are my top recommendations. First, fresh paint. Instant upgrade. A fresh coat of neutral colored paint makes your home look clean, modern, and move in ready. Buyers love it. Curb appeal matters. First impressions count. Simple landscaping like trimming bushes, planting flowers, painting the front door can add thousands to your home's perceived value. Third, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers need to visualize themselves in your home. Remove excess furniture, clear countertops, take down personal photos for a clean, staged look. Number four is lighting, is everything. Swap out outdated light fixtures, add brighter bulbs, and open up curtains to make your home feel bigger and more inviting. Fifth, minor repairs make a major difference. Fix that leaky faucet, patch up the holes in the wall, and replace old hardware. Small updates make a home feel well maintained. Let me show you a real example. A seller I worked with had a home sitting stale on the market for weeks. We made just three changes: a fresh coat of paint, decluttering the living room, and adding some modern lighting. The result? They received multiple offers within days and sold for 15,000 over the asking price. The right do-it-yourself improvements make buyers feel like they're getting a move-in ready home, and that translates to higher offers and a faster sale. Okay, so let's recap. Fresh paint, curb appeal, decluttering, good lighting, and minor repairs. These simple do it yourself tricks can significantly boost your property's value and help you sell faster and for more money. Do you have a favorite do it yourself home improvement trick? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more expert real estate tips, check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And I hope to see you next time.